Everyone, hi, welcome back. So it's a Friday today. I'm shooting this at night. Wait, it's a Saturday already. Yeah, it's 12:30. And I have to wake up early tomorrow. By the way, I just wanted to vlog this weekend because it's going to be really fun. I've planned it very well. Like, I am not going to be alone with my thoughts for 5 minutes. I am going to Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which is really far, and I have to wake up at 5:30 and I haven't slept yet. But it's okay, like I can sleep very late and wake up very early. But it does catch up to me like in the middle of the day. I'm like, oh, I can't do this anymore, I need to go to bed. But yeah, I can wake up early. But that's the thing, I can't force myself to sleep. If I sleep at 2 a.m., I'm going to sleep at 2 a.m. anyway. Like, I slept at 2 a.m. last night, but I woke up at 7 a.m. today anyway. So yeah, I'm really sleep deprived. I actually don't know what to wear. Can't find my favorite hoodie. I wore my jacket, I put on some makeup. I refuse to look really ugly, that's why I put makeup. Because my eyes get really puffy in the morning, and yeah, I need to look good. Important things. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
We have covered almost how many kilometers?
I don't know.
ऐसे वो प्रो साइकिल वालों की तरह मुझे बोलना था.
3 kilometers. कम है यहाँ के लिए. 3 kilometers नहीं, 5.
We have proudly covered 10 kilometers, guys.
10?
Vlog में बोलने लायक कुछ लगे भी तो सही.
10? 5. I think 5 कर लिया होगा.
हमने कितने वाटर कोलैबोरेशंस किए.
हमने बाटर 8th graders के साथ बाटर कोलैबोरेशन किए. Hi everyone, back to my usual spot. It was really fun. I felt like a child again. And if you are in Mumbai, please go in the morning and get the bicycle that they let you rent for 2 hours. I haven't been, even though I do hit the gym, I haven't been doing like sports, or not even like exactly sports, but I don't know the last time I went for cycling. Yeah, I don't know actually. I had another plan today with another friend, but I don't think so it's happening. But it's okay, I don't mind. I think I'm really tired. But even if it doesn't happen, that's okay. Everyone, hi. So the plan with my friend is on, and I'm wearing this really cute bodysuit and jeans. Jenny. Okay. So it's a Sunday today and it's 10:30 right now. I couldn't really vlog yesterday because the second half of the day, and yeah, I don't know, like I was really in the moment. Like, everyone was drinking, but I was just like, I was just sitting there like, no, nothing for me. We are going for Superman, me and my roommate. So, and we also wanted to hang out in Palladium, just window shop there. We haven't done that in a very long time. So we thought like might as well just go there and watch the movie also. My favorite palette, I've been using this for 2 years now. But yeah, the contour is gone. Blush is also is finishing. But yeah, still there's a lot left, which is great. Like, I love this. It's Sugar palette. It's in the shade 2, Vivid Victory. Love it. I'm doing very light makeup, like it's almost not there. Yeah. You know, I have actually gotten over putting blush. Like I do put blush, but it's very subtle now. I look back at the pictures when I used to put a lot of blush and I'm like, I look like a clown. Please, that doesn't look blended. Mosam, what are you doing? What the hell? How can you like gym in the Palladium Mall? Because there's a gym here and we were discussing like we won't be able to, if we had to come here, we'll just go to the gym, then we'll go and have fries. So what's the point of gymming?
I'm sure there are healthy places there as well. But
Yeah,
I'm
there
not
are.
gonna do that.
Yeah, like crypto.
And they look like this when you're
Holy. Brain over brawn. Brawn you said, right? Yeah, brain over brawn.
But then Superman has
Both.
because the way that
Yeah, Superman has both. We are in H&M's men's section. Anubhuti loves H&M's men's section.
yeah, I only love men's section.
Yeah, not men.
Because I used to have like a penguin. There was stairs and there was a slide.
And welcome back. I was having my coffee. Also about the movie, I really enjoyed it. Like how Superman is portrayed. He just is saving the world but also reporting to his job. Like very real. His character is very real. And all of them are very likable. Like even Lex Luthor's character is very likable. He's so cute. He's looking so cute even if he's bald. I love it.